Well, there's two 8mm screws here that you'll be taking out. I don't know if you can pull this back, just straight back. You might be able to. Otherwise, I got my little tool in here. Give a little twist. Just like that. Just push and release this tab here. Let's not forget to plug it in. Right? That's a good idea. Ooh. Plugged in. Gonna line up our pins up here and in the back. They have cheated us with no guide pin up here on the new one. Got our two guide pins lined up over here. We'll just give it a little push and push it into place, probably. That's pretty much it. Not a lot to it. Put our two bolts in. New taillight installed. 2019 Ford F150 XL.